Okay, we're doing question 9 from Check Your Skills in your book. You've been given A, B, C, and D, and A is equal to sine 22 theta cos 12, C is equal to this expression, B is equal to that expression, and D is equal to that expression. It says express the following in terms of A, B, C, and D. And excuse my handwriting, but we end up having, hold on, I didn't write the question down, we end up having sine 34 degrees and we have cos 10 degrees that we need to do in terms of the following. So, first one, sine 34. What do I do to get 34? If we look at what we've been given, we've got 22s and 12s. So if I take 22 and I add 12 to it, I'm going to get 34. So I can rewrite this as sine 22 plus 12, and that will give me my 34, right? And there I've now created a compound angle. So remember, my cos is snug in between my sines in this one, so we're going to have sine 22 times cos 12 plus cos 22 times sine 12. And there we end up looking at our ratios. Sine 22 cos 12 is A. And we've got a plus cos 22 sine 12, cos 22 sine 12. That's my B. Very easy, simple substitution. Okay, so let me take this cos 10 and do it underneath here. We end up having cos 10 degrees. And this is B. How do we simplify that? Now, cos, we use our cos ratios. Firstly, how do I get 10 between 22 and 12? Well, that's easy enough, right? That's cos 22 minus 12, which ends up giving me cos 10. But now that's a compound angle, and it's a cos ratio, and we know that a cos minus becomes a plus, and we have cos first and sine second. So it becomes cos 22 cos 12 added to sine 22 sine 12. When we look at that, we end up trying to find cos cos, sine sine, so that ends up becoming C plus D. It was a nice quick activity, exercise to do, especially after you've done all of these. I know you're getting tired, but it is quite a quick one to do, quite an easy one to do, not really that difficult.